What is up with y'all boys? It's your boy OTS man back with another video with the M550. As you could tell, today we're doing an oil change on the M550. The last time I did an oil change on this car was like March 1st. It's been a while, it's been a long time since I got an oil change on this car. Why I haven't got an oil change ever since then is because my car was in the shop for about 3 months because a nigga hit a deer. I feel like it's gonna be super black, to be honest. Alright, so we're about to get into this oil change, you feel me? I'm not even gonna waste no time. We got 2 5-quarts liquid moly 5W40 in the fuel filter. I'm not fuel filter, I mean oil filter. I just parked the car. The car is super hot. Fuck it, man. We're about to get into it. I'm about to go ahead and start jacking the car up on both sides, get my jack stand, and yeah, we're about to get into it. Alright, boom. Now we got the car all jacked up, feel me? On 2 jack stand, and the jack is still there for safety. Now I'm about to open the gas cap. Boom. Yo, my shit's still hot. I don't know if y'all boys can tell, but you can see that fucking smoke coming out of my shit. But yeah, boom. First thing I gotta do is open the gas cap, and then I'm gonna go under the car, get my oil paint under the car, catch y'all boys when I'm done setting up. Alright, chat, so we under the car. Now I'm about to open the drain plug. Gotta use a T50, I think. It's a T50. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is hot, bro. I'm kinda scared. God damn. Who the fuck tightened this shit? Gotta use the extendo. Got it loose. Bro, I'm kinda scared, bro. This shit hot. Bro, why the I just hope I don't make a mess either. Okay. Nah. Okay. I'll see that. No, I just gotta let that shit drain. Oh, you know me? Yes, sir. I got some oil on my phone. But if you ask me, my shit look still clean though. But the last time I got an oil change was like March 1st. My shit still look clean. I'm back in the spot. Bro, this shit is in the way. Bro, I'm about to move this jack stand. My jack stand is in the way from where the filter is at. I'm not jacking that, bro. I'm about to move this shit. We already got the oil filter tool on the oil filter, or whatever the fuck you call it, I don't know. Just now we're about to take this shit off. Look for me. I'll take the extender off. I think that was a good idea. Now we're taking that shit off. Where's my extender, chat? Boom. We just got this shit out. The oil filter cap with the oil filter. As y'all can see, everything came out for me. Boom. So now I'm gonna let it drain for a little bit. Alright, boom. So look, we got the old filter out for me. And we got a new filter. We got the O-rings. And we got this piece that goes on the I don't fucking know what is it called, but for me, you gotta replace all of these shits. I'm gonna show y'all boys everything I do in this video, step by step. Just stay tuned. Boom. Alright, chat, so look, boom. You gotta take this old rubber piece off. Boom. Gotta change this. This is no longer good. This is no longer good. This is no good anymore. No good, no bueno. So boom, this you gotta change this shit. Get the new one. Hold on, let me clean it first. Boom, I got the new one. Boom, put it back in that little spot right there. If you don't put it in the right spot, chat, your shit is gonna leak. So you gotta make sure you put it back in that same spot. Nah, for real though, deadass. Yo, appreciate the likes. Why don't you make a YouTube? I do. I'm making a YouTube video right now. Camera right here, bro. Say hi to YouTube, nigga. I can't even see the chat. Oh, there you go. Say hi to YouTube, twin. All right, boom. So let's change that little ring thing, the little rubber piece. Now we gotta put in the new filter. To put in the new filter, right? That little piece right there. Look, it's two different sides. The deeper side goes on top. This goes inside the car. Why the fuck am I showing y'all niggas this? I'm making a YouTube video. The fuck? Boom. So the deeper side goes inside the car, and the shorter side goes on the filter. Let's put that bitch down in there, and you will hear it snap. Once it snap, it's hard to come off. Like, it don't comes off that easily once it's snapped in. So as you can see, the new filter is now snapped into place. So now we're about to go ahead and put this back on the car. All right, so this is my drain plug. So we got this little washer thingy looking. You gotta change this too. That's no longer good. No bueno, no good. So we got the new one. Boom. Put the new one back on it. Just like that. For me. Anyways, we're about to go back on the car, put the filter back on the drain plug. I'm pretty sure all the fucking oil is out the car. Pretty sure. So, first thing first, I'm gonna put the filter back on. Bro, I always hear people say, oh, you could use your hand to tighten this shit because it's gonna tighten by itself. No, nigga, I'm not trusting that shit. No, nigga. Alright, so now we're gonna tighten the filter. That bitch is well tight. Well tight, chat. This is my filter tool. Now I'm putting my drain plug back in. My shit look pretty clean. Shit's hella tight. Hella tight. Alright, boom. So now I'm done with under the car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. So let's take these shits out. Alright boys, so we done with under the car. Now I'm about to pour the oil in. I don't want to make a mess, bro. I'm about to just use this shit. It's going pretty quick if you ask me. Use a tool. Yo, I need a water. Can I get a water? I'm thirsty as fuck. That's one down. How many? How many liters? 5. 5 liters. 5. $5 my boy. Put the camera this side. This one. Alright, boom. So my camera died. So now I'm using my phone. Both of my batteries is dead on my camera. I already got one oil down. So now I'm going to pour the other one in. I'll catch you boys when I'm done with this one. Alright, boom. So we back. This is the end of the video. Right now I got the hood on the car. I can't show y'all boys that. That's for a whole nother video. But you feel me? The oil change was done and everything was good. For me, the car runs good, no leaks. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure y'all drop a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, comment down below. You feel me? And I'll catch y'all boys in the next video. Thank you for watching.